Hi, I'm Daniel with Cole Crum Chevrolet, and I'm here to introduce you to the 2015 Chevrolet Volt. The closed grille gleams between LED daytime running headlamps. Countless hours of wind tunnel testing influence the styling of the aerodynamic side mirrors, bold lines, and rocker panels. The rear spoiler complements an aggressive posture, making Volt a head-turner. The striking interior includes a unique cockpit-inspired design. 4 sharply styled bucket seats are available with finely crafted premium cloth or heated leather upholstery. The Driver Information Center behind the steering wheel shows your power supply and driving efficiency, while the center panel touchscreen with available Chevrolet MyLink is your direct source for apps like SiriusXM satellite radio and GPS navigation. OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi delivers the most powerful and reliable internet connection to your smartphone. Door panel storage and split folding rear seats opens the cargo space area for larger items. Reaching up to 100 miles per hour and getting 273 pounds of torque, Volt has plenty of power to get you where you need to be. Choose a standard 120 volt or a 240 volt rapid 4-hour charging station battery. You can fully charge and drive an EPA estimated 38 miles completely gas-free. Or by utilizing a gas-powered generator, your range extends up to 380 miles. Select between 4 driving modes to maximize how and when you use your power. 8 airbags line the cabin, and with advanced prevention technologies like forward collision alert, lane departure warning, the Volt has you covered from every angle. An available rear vision camera gives you peace of mind when backing up for those tricky parking maneuvers. Form and function unite to create a vehicle that's sporty, smooth, and modern. So come down and see us and check out the 2015 Chevy Volt.